And please don't forget, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to the channel, and also hit the notification bell so you know when new content has been posted. And in the video description, you'll find some links to some kits, some origami paper, and some origami books.